This 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 31BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Lubbock, Texas, 79403 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lubbock. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.